Hello, Jaguars. It's another great day at Jefferson where students choose to grow, lead, and take an active role in outreach services. Together we'll make our school, community, and our world a better place. So come on, Jaguars, let's get glowing. It's time for our weekly announcements for August the 23rd through August the 27th. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, chicken and waffle. Tuesday, chicken Alfredo and garlic toast. Wednesday, hamburger or cheeseburger. Thursday, sliced pizza. And on Friday, corn dog nuggets. This is a reminder that all students may receive a free breakfast and a free lunch every day all year long. And Jaguars, remember, if you arrive after 8:15 in the morning, you may still get breakfast. You will just need to go to the grab and go by the first grade hallway area. Then go on to your classroom and you may eat your grab and go breakfast in your room. Jaguars, keep working on memorizing your cafeteria number. Parents, please make sure the school has your correct address, working contact numbers, and designated family and or friends who may pick up your child or can be contacted when we are unable to reach you. So please contact the school throughout the year if there are any changes to this information. And also, parents, have you signed up for Class Dojo? If not, please reach out to your child's teacher. Jaguars, are you ready to glow brighter at Jefferson? It will take all of us doing our part and working together. We are a school filled with leaders, so let's get started leading in the following areas as we revisit some of our school procedures and expectations. First of all, Jaguars, remember to walk on the blue lines when available as you transition in the hallways. Also, keep right when moving from place to place. Your voice should always be at a level 0 so other classrooms of learning may continue without disturbance. Remember, when going to the bathroom, just take care of your business. Remember to close the stall door for your privacy. And don't forget to flush. Remember, it's important that you wash your hands. Jaguar leaders, do not horseplay in the bathroom, so take a moment and discuss with your classmates and your teacher what is considered horseplay. Also, Jaguars, your voices should not be heard outside the bathroom and down the hallways. So practice with your classmates what your noise level should sound like when you're in the bathroom. It takes all of us working together. Jaguars, we also need to revisit our procedures and expectations while in the cafeteria. It really is time for us to turn up the glow. Remember these things. Upon entering the cafeteria, please make sure that you have washed your hands. Entering using your level 1 voice and stay at a level 1 voice during the entire time you're in the cafeteria. Jaguars eating in the cafeteria you may have assigned seats per your teacher or supervising staff. For the safety of all our Jaguars, please do not trade or eat each other's food. Jaguars, we all have to maintain control of the body that we live in, so please make sure you're keeping your hands to yourself, remaining in your seat at all times. If you need something, please raise your hand and an adult will come to you. And please remember to keep your voice at a level 1 at all times. The trash cans will be rolled around by an adult to collect your trash. It is your responsibility to clean up your area around you. Do not leave your trash on the table or the floor. Stack your tray at the end of your cafeteria table when you're finished. When your class has been called to line up, please walk to your place in the hallway by the elevator. You should be at level 0. Face the front with your hands to your side. That means no touching others with your body parts or your lunch boxes. Leave some space between you and the person in front of you. And remember to return to your class at a level 0. We are in search of Jaguar leaders in classrooms that really start to glow in all these areas in the cafeteria. Who knows? There might be some cool surprises in store for Jaguars and classrooms found glowing in the cafeteria. Jaguars, here are some quick reminders for you during dismissal. Remember to use walking feet when you're moving to your area. Use level 1 voices and sometimes level 0 voices may be necessary. Do not remove any items from your backpacks while you wait. Listen for your name being called and move to the designated exit door using walking feet. Quickly and safely enter your car and buckle up. Bus riders, this is for you. Stay in your designated area when you arrive in the gym. Use level 1 voices, and sometimes level 0 voices may be necessary. Listen for your bus number to be called. When your number has been called, place your face mask correctly on your face, meaning nose and mouth covered. Walk in a single file to the exit door and follow bus procedures on your ride home. Teachers, we encourage you to continue to revisit and practice all these expectations and procedures with your students. Students and staff, we really need your help. We all need to work together to lessen the spread of unwanted germs in our building. So please wash your hands often. Work very hard to keep your hands away from your face, especially the eyes, ears, and nose areas. It's extremely important to keep your hands to yourself. That means just don't touch each other. Things like holding hands or hugging or high fives. Please practice social distancing as much as you can. Currently, it is recommended that you wear a face mask. If you're not feeling well, please communicate that with your teacher. It takes all of us doing our part to help keep us safe and healthy. So let's get glowing on these Jaguars. Hey, Jefferson families, come join us for our first Jefferson Spirit Night of the year. So come on out to Five Guys this Thursday, August the 26th, from 5 p.m. until 9 p.m. Did you know that 20% of your purchase will be donated to Jefferson Elementary? Your orders must be from in-store orders or call-in orders only. And remember, when you order, to mention Jefferson Elementary. Hope to see you on Thursday night at Five Guys. Come on out and support Jefferson Elementary. And now it's time to celebrate our birthdays for the week. Celebrating a birthday on August the 24th in 4th grade is Henry C. On August the 25th in 1st grade is Micaiah L. On August the 26th in 1st grade, West H. and Dr. Potter, our school principal. On August the 27th in kindergarten is Holden S. and Mrs. Sin, our librarian media specialist. On August the 28th is Mr. Jalen, one of our instructional assistants. And celebrating a birthday on August the 29th in our pre-K class is Rayliana F. and Miss Doggart, our art teacher. Hope you guys enjoy celebrating your birthday. It's your birthday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Today I'd like to share a quote with you by Maria Robinson, and it goes like this. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, encouraging each of us to get glowing. And now you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.